Presenting Crompton Ginie Neo Tabletop Air Cooler, available in 10 liters. The Ginie Neo comes with higher air delivery of 650 meter cube per hour, ensuring quick and efficient cooling performance at 130 watts. Engineered with high-density honeycomb pads, Ginie Neo offers efficient and prolonged cooling for hours. Ginie Neo series features 4-way air deflection that allows you to adjust airstream direction as per your comfort. The air cooler is engineered with a motor overload protector that ensures durability and longer motor life. It is equipped with auto-swing louvers with motorized vertical movement. The air cooler oscillates to cool up the entire room. To boost the cooling experience, the air cooler has an exclusively fitted ice chamber. What's more, Ginie Neo has features that makes it your personal cooling companion, like swing knob, airspeed and cool knob, and water level indicator. Now enjoy uninterrupted cooling on hot summer days without worrying about power cut with inverter compatibility. Keeping you ever protected, the air cooler is designed with mosquito nets to ensure utmost health and hygiene.